Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Nissan and this car have a full cam sensor circuit bang one P0340. I will show you location and also I will show you how much voltage came there. So here is the engine room and you can see here this one cam sensor bang one, this sensor. Okay, it is a two sensor for this one cam one, and there is a three wire. I will show you how much voltage came and which wire ground. Okay, see here with multimeter I fix with voltage, and minus wire is in negative and positive in my hand. There is a three wire, red, brown and white. So first we check with brown wire. You can see in brown wire 5 volt. Okay, that means it's perfect. And red wire also came 5 volt. We check, see in red wire also 5.3, and this white wire, this is for ground. So check now, positive fix like this. White wire, see battery voltage, that means this is ground. Okay, so brown wire 5 volt, white wire ground, and red wire 5 volt. Okay, thank you.